Today, I'll show you how to find the halfway point on Google Maps. Whether you're planning a meetup with a friend, organizing a road trip, or simply curious about the midpoint between two locations, finding the halfway point can be incredibly useful. Fortunately, Google Maps makes this task quite straightforward. Let's dive right in and see how you can do this with just a few clicks. First, you'll want to navigate to google.com/maps. And you can do this using any web browser on your computer or even on your smartphone. Once you're on the Google Maps homepage, you'll notice that the map view is your starting point. This is where you can see various locations, streets, and landmarks. Next, you'll need to select your starting point. This could be your current location or any other place you wish to begin from. To do this, simply type the name or address of your starting point in the search bar at the top left corner of the page. When you see your desired location appear in the drop down list, click on it. Google Maps will then zoom in on this location and you'll see a marker indicating where it is. Now that you have your starting point set, it's time to select your destination point. Just like before, type the address or name of your destination in the search bar. Once you identify the right place, click on it from the suggestions. Google Maps will then show a line between your starting point and your destination, indicating the route. With both your starting and destination points selected, you're ready to find the halfway mark. Although Google Maps doesn't provide a direct halfway point feature, there's a simple workaround. You can use the distance measurement tool. To access this, right-click on your starting point marker. From the drop-down menu, choose Measure Distance. Next, click on the destination point. You'll see a line with a measurement displayed in either miles or kilometers. The key here is to visually estimate the halfway point on this line. While the tool doesn't automatically calculate the exact midpoint, you can click anywhere along the line to drop a marker at your guessed halfway point. This can serve as a helpful reference, especially if you're coordinating with others and need a central meeting location. Remember, while this method provides a good estimation, it may not be perfect due to factors like road conditions or traffic. For a more precise calculation, you might consider utilizing additional online tools designed specifically for finding midpoints. And there you have it. This simple guide showed you how to find the halfway point on Google Maps. Whether you're catching up with someone or planning a journey, knowing the midpoint can simplify your arrangements. Don't forget to explore the additional features Google Maps offers, like traffic updates and alternative routes, to make your travel planning even more efficient. Thanks for watching and happy navigating.